Change of axis objective. Today we started. The question number 1 is origin shifted to the point 1 comma 2 without changing the direction of axis. Then 4 comma 3 is transformed to. So that means the origin is shifted to the point h comma k is equal to 1 comma 2. The given point is the original coordinates small x comma small y, that is 4 comma 3. Now the transformed coordinates are capital X comma capital Y. So we take capital X is equal to small x minus h. That means small x means 4 minus h means 1, that is 3. And capital Y is equal to small y minus k, that is equal to small y means 3 minus k is 2, that is 1. So therefore new coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equal to 3 comma 1. Second problem is if the point 3 comma minus 2 transformed to minus 2 comma 1 when origin is shifted to the point P, then what is P? So that means the given point, the original point is x comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 2 and it's a transformed point, that is capital X comma capital Y is minus 2 comma 1. Then what is the shifting new origin, that is P? So h is equal to small x minus capital X, that is equal to 3 minus of minus plus 2 is equal to 5, and k is equal to small y minus capital Y, that is minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Therefore the new origin is h comma k, that is equal to 5 comma minus 3. Third question, if cos alpha cos beta are new coordinates of P when origin is shifted to 1 comma 1, the original coordinates of P are, that means these are the transformed points. So that is capital X comma capital Y is equal to cos alpha comma cos beta, and the origin is shifted to the point 1 comma 1, that means h comma k is equal to 1 comma 1. Then find the new original coordinates of P, that is x comma y is we required small x comma small y. So small x is equal to capital X plus h, that means cos alpha plus 1, and small y means capital Y plus k, that is equal to cos beta plus 1. So that is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. So this is 2 cos square beta by 2. Now x comma y is equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2 comma 2 sin cos square beta by 2. These are the original coordinates. Fourth question, to remove the first degree terms of the equation 2xy plus 4x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, the shifted origin is. So that's why the given equation is compared with 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In this case, in this equation, we want to remove the first degree equations. The origin is shifted to the point minus f by h minus g by h. Origin is shifted to minus g by h comma minus f by h. Minus f by h minus g by h. So here we comparing the equation. Given equation is 2xy plus 4x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. From these two equations we comparing, h is equal to 2h is equal to 1 means h is equal to 1 and 2g is equal to 4. That means comparing the x coefficients, 2g is equal to 4. So g is equal to 2. And comparing y coefficients, 2f is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus f, and c is equal to 7. Then the origin is shifted to minus f by h, comma minus g by h. So that is equal to minus f means minus 1 by h means 1, comma minus g, that is 2 by h means 1. So that is equal to 1 comma minus 2 is the new origin. If the origin is shifted to this point, the first degree terms in this equation are removed. Now question number 7. When origin is shifted to 2 comma minus 2, the transformed equation of x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. That means origin is shifted to means h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Then the new coordinates, then small x is changes as capital X plus h, that means 2, and small y is changes as capital Y plus k, that means minus 2. Or substitute on this equation, then we get the transformed equation. So that is a transformed equation. Transformed equation is small x is changes as capital X plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus small y is changes as capital Y minus 2 plus 2 whole square is equal to 9. Here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Then the transformed equation is capital X square plus capital Y square is equal to 9. This is the required transformed equation. Ninth question. The origin is shifted to 1 comma 2. Then the equation y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 changes to y square is equal to 4ax. Then small a is equal to 1. So the origin is shifted to the point h comma k, that is equal to 1 comma 2. Then the equation is transformed to, in this case, small x is equal to capital X plus h means 1 and small y is equal to capital Y plus k is equal to 2. Then the transformed equation, transformed equation of y square minus 8x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 is small y means capital Y plus 2 whole square minus 8 into small x means capital X plus 1 minus 4 into small y means capital Y plus 2 plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we expanding this one, x square plus 4 plus 4y minus 8x minus 8 minus 4y minus 8 plus 12 is equal to 0. Now plus 4y minus 4y is cancelled and minus 8 minus 16 plus 16 so are also cancelled. Now y square minus 8x is equal to 0. That implies y square is equal to 8x. Given the transformed equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Given y square is equal to 4ax. So when comparing these two, 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 2. That is the answer.